The entire staff here is really devoted to making the whole process as pleasant as it can be for each patient. And most of us have had Dr. Dulski do work on us. I have personally, so I have kind of a unique perspective on that. And if patients have questions about facial issues, I can answer any question that they bring up to me. And I also know that he does wonderful work, and I am happy to recommend him to anybody to have any procedure done. He's really a great surgeon, and our patients are all very happy. I think that each of us here does our best to put each patient at ease, but because we've also been through what they're going to go through, we can tell them from start to finish every step of the way and how really easy it is, and also how happy they're going to be when they're done.